Last class or last session we have seen multiplication of two numbers, that is two digit numbers, where unit digit sum of unit digit equal to 10, and in the next method we have seen sum of the previous digit to 10, the unit digit sum of digit which is previous to the unit digit is 10. Now consequently we have seen what is base, deviation, and how it is noted. For example, if you have negative deviation, that is generally denoted by minus sign or bar. Using this concept we are going to do multiplication now. For example, we are going to multiply 7 by 8, which everybody knows, that is the value of it. But how to proceed in this? That is, I write 7, you write the number one below the other, 7 and 8. I am multiplying 7 by 8. So 7 by and 8 you write. 7 is less by minus 3, 8 is less by minus 2, or 3 bar or 3 2. So now, in other words, we can write like this. The structure you create like this: 7 minus 3, 8 minus 2. So diagonally you add. For example, 7 minus 2 and 8 minus 3, which gives you 5. And no way you will not get two different value when you diagonally add. That you have to be very careful. If you are getting different value, means that you are making some mistake somewhere. So 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 3 is 5. Here you multiply the deviations, that is minus 3 into minus, minus into minus plus, 2 times the 3 is equal to 6, which is 56. This is the step which we adopt to multiply the numbers where the deviation is just little comparing to the base, like 98, 101, 105, 108. When you get to numbers like that, how to proceed further is the today's session. Let us see. We will generalize, in fact. Let n1 and n2 be the two numbers nearer to a base in powers of 10, or d1 and d2 are their respective deviation. So when I write the numbers is n1 and n2, these are the factors which should be multiplied, that is n1 into n2, and the deviation of n1 from the base is d1, deviation of n2 from the base is d2. Now I am going to diagonally add n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1, where separated by d1 d2. So this is the generalized form. You can make a note of it. n1 into n2 is equal to n1 d1, n2 d2, diagonally adding n1 d2, n2 d1 plus, and you have to multiply the deviations. In this we are going to look into three types of problems where both the numbers are less than the base, and the next is both the numbers are more than the base, and third type, one number less than the base, the another one more than the base. So let us see one by one. Type 1, we are saying both the numbers are lower than the base. For example, 97 into 98, this corresponds to, which is both are less than the base. This is less by minus 3, this is less by minus 6. Am I correct? Then what is the step we follow? Diagonally we are adding 97 minus 6, 94 minus 3, which corresponds to minus 3 into minus 6. Again this corresponds to 91, 3 6 are 18. So 91, 18 is the answer for 97, 94. So one or two problems we will see in this method. 92 and 98. 92 is deviated by minus 8, 98 is deviated by minus 2. So diagonally adding, both gives value 92 minus 98 minus 8, and this side minus 8 into minus 2, which corresponds to 16. So here it is 19. So 90, 16 is the answer. Are you clear? So type 1 deals with both the numbers are less than the base. In the last or the previous problem, we have told you to write the number 92 here, 98 here, then the deviation here. But you need not write like that also. In a more simplified way, 92, 98. What is the deviation? This is minus 8, this is minus 2. Just cross diagonally you add it off. that will give you 90, then 8 2s are 16, finish. That is the simplest way of doing this type of problem. இப்போ 104 into 102. இப்போ இதில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 4ம் 2ம் 100 பேஸை விட அதிகமாக இருக்குது. அதாவது positive deviation by 4, this is positive deviation by 2. Here both the numbers are more than the base. In the previous one we have seen less than the base. So when this is the case, how to do the problem we have to see. 104 you write it, underneath you have to write 102 and deviation by 2. Because of positive deviation, you need not mention any sign over here, and diagonally you have to add as we have done earlier, 104 plus 2, 102 plus 4, which corresponds to 106. This side you will have 8, but you cannot write 8 because here the base is 100. You must have 2 digit here. You keep it in your mind. If the base is 10, 1 digit is okay. Whereas if the base is 100, you should keep 2 digit here. Since I am getting 8 in single digit, I have to make it into 2 digit by adding 1 0 on the LHS of 8, not on the RHS of 8. Otherwise it will shoot up to 80, whereas still the value remains as 8 as I am putting the 0 in the LHS of 8. So now what the answer will be 106, 8 is the answer. When the base are more than the given value. So just to see. 102, 108. Here it is plus by 2, here it is plus by 8. Now diagonally we have to add as we did earlier, and here the RHS will be 16. Here the answer is 110. The answer is 110, 16 will be the answer. As I told you earlier, you need not write this much step. You just imagine 102 deviated by plus 2, 108 deviated by 8. Diagonally you add, which gives 110. 110, 8 2s are 16, so 110, 16 is the answer. This way we can do. So we have seen 2 types, one lesser than the base, the other greater than the base. Now we will see the third type, where one number will be less than the base, the another one will be more than the base. Just you have to be little careful in this. 108, this is 94, this is plus by 8, 90, this is minus 6 deviation. So 108 minus 6, 94 plus 8, which corresponds to 102. Here you have got minus sign, this is plus sign. So when I multiply, minus 48 is coming. How to solve this? You have to borrow 100 from this end, then you bring it over here. That becomes, when you subtract 48 by 100 from 100, you will get 52. So 52 will be here. Since you have borrowed 100 from here, the left out is 101, 52. So 101, 52 is the answer. Since we got negative sign, we have to be very careful in doing the third type, which is one more than the base, the other number less than the base. Let us see one more problem in this. 104 is 4, 96 is minus 4. So diagonally we have to add, which gives 100. Here 4 into minus 4, which gives minus 16. Here the value is 100. Since here I am minus sign, I borrow 100 from here. So this will become 99, and 100 minus 16 will be 84. So 99, 84 is the answer for 104 into 106. So like this, very quite interesting things we have seen. So I am very happy that you are able to undergo 3 types of problems. One, that is condition unit digit 10. The another one, the digit which is previous to the unit digit sum is equal to 10. Third one, using base, deviation and other things. Thanks a lot for listening to this. Try to do more problems on this, which you will feel very interesting also, and within a second you will get the answer. Thank you friends. Thank you.